In today's video, I'll show you how to add custom suits to Marvel's Spider-Man Miles Morales. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this suit pack. Download the mod 541 and download this Overstrike mod manager. Once you downloaded the mod, right click on Overstrike and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, double click on the Overstrike exe. Select add game and profile name. You can type whatever name you want. Select the browse option and navigate to game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select create. Select the profile name and select create profiles. We have successfully installed the host track. Select the plus icon and go to downloads and select the mod you downloaded. In my case, I downloaded suit pack. Select the zip and select open. After adding the mod, select the install mods option. Once you install the mod, go to suit menu. Just scroll down. You can able to see all new suits under. Just go to mods and launch the game. We have successfully installed. Once you are in game, press the tab key and go to suits. Select the suit. You can able to see lots of new suits. Pick the one you like the most and then press escape key and show you guys it's working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.